Good morning, kids. This is Teacher May, and today we are going to study about counting numbers. Let us count numbers from 1 to 5. Okay, as you can see in our screen, please count the numbers with me. Are you ready? Okay, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Our topic for today is about counting numbers 1 to 5. Let us begin. Can you identify the number? What number is this? 2. How about this one? 4. Very good. How about this one? 5. Very good. How about this one? 3. Very good. How about this one? 1. Okay, let us proceed. Look at the picture. The boy is showing his finger. Can you follow the boy? Okay, say 1. 1. Very good. 1. 1. Next, we have 2. 2. Show your fingers. 2. 2. Very good. Next, 3. 3. Look at the girl. 3. 3. 4. 4. Look at the girl's finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And 5. Very good. 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, look at the picture. It is an apple. How many apples is there? How many apples is there? 1. Very good. Next. How many carrots are there? How many carrots are there? Can you count? Okay, let us count. 1, 2. How many carrots? 2. Very good. Next, how many sharpeners are there? How many sharpeners are there? Can you count? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 3. Oh, what is it? Frogs. How many frogs are there? Can you count with me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many frogs? 4. Good job. Next, fish. How many fish are there? Can you count with me? Let us count. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. How many? How many? 5. 5 fish. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. That is our topic for today. See you again next time. Goodbye.